Hi y'all, welcome to my morning cleaning routine video. For those new here, I'm April Lauren and this is my channel, Wake Up Bright. My husband's currently deployed, so my life revolves around my two sweet pups. They're little German Shepherds. Well, they're not little. My job, taking time to answer whenever my hubs is able to call, and making YouTube videos. I love making clean with me videos, sharing what it's like to be an army wife, and charting my weight loss journey with vlogs. It's been a really good process so far, slow but very steady. I'd love for you to follow along on my journey, so hit that subscribe button and let's get ready for some extreme cleaning in my little morning routine. So my little morning routine, I get up, I always make my bed first thing, then I let my pups out and give them lots of love and attention. I usually feed them and I get their food ready and unload the dishwasher when I let the pups out, but today it's so hot outside already, they weren't interested in being out there, so I skipped unloading the dishwasher and decided to come back to it after I had fed them. And I always brush them, like I make their food and they're really intense about it and then they sort of forget about it for a second, so that's when I brush them. And then I took a break, got ready and got some food, then I came back, loaded the dishwasher. I always every morning vacuum the floors except for the exception, which is always a mess if that happens. And then I straighten the couch cushions, which I'll tell y'all more about in a minute.
Now that the bed's made, I'm not doing my hair yet. I feel bad because filming takes me forever, so I left the door open, which is why the pets were in and out. And I noticed I have like a little bit of a mess going on my floor, so I need to pick up a few items of clothing. I'm also going to be doing my little cleaning routine before I start work today, and I have a lot going on, so my morning routine needs to be speedy. But in the mornings, I let these guys out. Do you guys want to go outside? Yeah? You guys want to go outside? In your beds. In your bed, Chippy. In your bed, Chippy. Sit. In your bed. Sit. Lily, sit. Okay. So I let them bark at their things, and while they're doing that, I get their food together, which normally I put coconut oil in their food, but today is going to be, what is that stuff called? Extra virgin olive oil. Their little space over here needs to be cleaned. I don't like crawling in the kennel, so I always use this little bat to like pull it. You can see my shorts. I never wear shorts, but these are so comfy. I got them from Walmart and they have the elastic in them. Anyway, they're perfect for sleeping. In your beds. Bed bed, boo-boo. Bless my heart. Beds. Leave it. Leave it. Sit, boo-boo. Sit, boo-boo. Sit. Navy chow. Army chow. You guys so happy? Huli, you want to be brushed? Huli, you want to be brushed? You want to be brushed? Yeah? Oh, my boo-boo wants to be brushed. Yeah. Oh, it's so good. Oh, boo is so good. Yeah.
As you guys can tell, like most of my morning routine, it revolves around my pups. So if you have German Shepherds or other pups, like your morning routine's probably similar where it's all taken up with the pups. But Julio loves to be brushed. Chipper not so much. Julio is a fiend. He loves it. So I have to get him to like turn around, and sometimes he jumps down and up, but to get his other side doing it this way, in case you're wondering why that just happened. And then I want Chipper to come, which he like bullies her. He doesn't like Chippy to get her turn being brushed, and she hates being brushed, so it works out well for her.
Chippy, come here. Come here. Chip, chip. Boo-boo, get down. Off. Chippy, come here.
Lately, like for the past probably week and a half or so, he's figured out that when he is denied being brushed and I'm brushing her, if he barks, it makes her super excited, and then she's even harder to keep up there so I can brush because she wants to know what's going on, what he's barking at, so she'll jump down and go look. So he's too smart. He's too smart. After that, I always let them run around a little bit. The main reason, I mean, they still need to get energy out. And right now it's so hot outside, like they don't love being out there unless it's like nighttime. And I don't leave them out overnight just because of stray dog issues. And my pups can't hop the fence. The fence are 6 feet tall, but there's lots of dogs around here that can. Like the Mally across the street greeted me while I was taking out the trash the other day. I mean, he's a super sweet dog, but I don't know how he would respond to my pups. So anyway, I let them run around so that the hair that I've loosened up can fall before I vacuum. So
So I hung curtains all throughout the downstairs essentially. So we now have curtains on both windows in the dining room, which we had curtains on one, but we just had blinds on this one. And I put blackout curtains over there, which have the window open so you can't really tell. And then the curtains in my bedroom, and it just makes our house so dark. It's making it so hard for me to wake up. So might be revisiting that. Anyway, before I unload the dishwasher and stuff, I'm gonna go fix my hair and get ready for work. So after I do the dishes and eat, then I am good to go work. I need to shut this pantry. See y'all in a bit after I'm probably look exactly the same, but beautified. Hey guys, so I just finished my hair. I actually really like it. I wonder if you can see. In this little mirror. I know I'm gonna show you guys in another video, but I got some rollers and these actually curl my hair like really good. So now I don't know if I want to get a haircut again or not. I just keep going back and forth. Basically, I just want my hair to look like not a hot mess sometimes. Sometimes it's okay to look like a hot mess. And other times, I just want to look fixed. Unlike right this second. So we're gonna finish my morning routine. I am dressed and ready to conquer the day. We are going to unload the dishwasher, which I did eat breakfast earlier. It's part of my morning routine, so now I have some dirty dishes and the kitchen isn't as clean as it was earlier. But the other two things I do in the morning are I vacuum hair and I unload the dishwasher. So I'm gonna unload the dishwasher real quick and yeah.
So lucky. You love dancing in the rain. You never mind a cloudy day. Make the world a better place. You love dancing in the rain. Don't know how I found you. I guess that dreams come true. When you least expect them to. Ain't life funny? How did I get so lucky? I'm smiling in the silence, wondering if you are even feeling the same. Play another song in your driveway. I've got nowhere to be till Monday, and I want you to remember my name.
Straightening the cushions is the last thing that I do now in the mornings. So I like to put the couch together. They sleep in it at night and they knock things off of it and roll around, and so I've been removing the pillows from the couch, and then yeah, I straighten it all, make it look pretty, so when I come downstairs I'm happy.
Okay guys, that wraps up my morning routine. It is a little after 8 and I need to go upstairs and get ready to go to work. And I need to take that trash can upstairs. I think you guys saw in a recent video that I like to take the whole trash cans out so there's no leakage ever of trash cans on the floor because it really grosses me out. Anyway, just loving my curls. But I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope that you enjoyed this little morning routine. This is pretty much exactly what I do every single morning. The rollers are newer, but aside from the rollers, like, these are the things that I do every morning. I wake up, I let the babies outside, I feed them, I brush them, I let them play, and then I vacuum their hair and I unload the dishwasher. The vacuuming has to happen every morning. It just does. If it doesn't happen every morning, then I've shown y'all videos of times, but like right now it's getting hotter and hotter, so it's been in the 3 digits lately. So it's been around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So they are shedding even more. So it's like their shedding just keeps intensifying. So if I don't take care of the floor situation, I already have, like, looking at the floors right now, I literally just finished vacuuming and there's already like hairballs. So, which I didn't vacuum the dining room rug. That's probably where those hairballs are coming from. But they just shed a lot. So German Shepherds are worth it. They are worth messing with their hair. And then today I didn't put any makeup on except for some lipstick. And I love these lipsticks. They are the NYX Candy Stick. Is that Slick? Candy Slick? Anyway, typically when I go throughout my day, I put on something on my lips, usually Burt's Bees, not this, but whatever's handy, and then I put on mascara, which I haven't done yet. But anyway, that's my normal morning routine. I at least fix the hair, if nothing else, you know? Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my morning routine, comment down below. Let me know, what is your morning routine like? Do you guys have to clean up after? I guess most of you guys probably have sweet babies. Like, I have sweet babies, but they're fur babies, so it's not really the same. But let me know what your morning routines are. And yeah, I look forward to talking to you guys next time. Bye, guys.